My name is Rob Med, and I'm a brass repair tech here at West Music Company. I also taught band for 37 years. Today I'm going to tell you about the items that come in your trombone care kit so that you can take care of your new trombone. First of all, congratulations on deciding to become a musician and being a trombone player. Looking at the repair kit, we have a couple of things that will help keep your trombone slide moving. We have slide oil that goes on the big hand slide, and that will help keep that moving. When you put the slide oil on, you'll want to take your slide down. You don't need to take it all the way off. You want to take it down to where you see the sleeves. That's this little wider part at the bottom. You'll want to put a couple of drops of slide oil on each of the inner slides, and that's all you need. And then work that around on the slide, and that will keep your slide moving smoothly. When you go to do that, you might need to have a clean rag to wipe off the old oil before you put on the new oil. We have the slide grease, which is not for the hand slide, but for your main tuning slide at the other end of the trombone. This slide grease is a thicker cream, and that will go on the tuning slide, just a little bit on your finger, and spread it around on the tuning slide. And then you can put one slide in at a time and work it around to spread the slide grease. You may need to do that about every 2 weeks or so. You want to make sure that your tuning slide keeps moving so that it doesn't become stuck. We have this larger brush with a brush on each end. We call this the snake. And this can be used to clean the tubing of your trombone. When your trombone is apart, you can use it to clean this part of the trombone. You can also use it to clean the inside and the outside slides of your hand slide by using water, a little bit of dish soap to push the brush all the way through and clean out anything on the inside of the slides, and then rinse when you're done. The other brush included with your care kit is for the mouthpiece. And you want to keep your mouthpiece nice and clean, so every week, maybe 2 weeks, you'll want to run the brush through your mouthpiece. And again, you can use just a little bit of dish soap and water and clean the inside of the mouthpiece to keep it nice and clean. We also have a cleaning cloth, and that's for the outside of the trombone. It's nice and shiny when you get it. You want to keep it that way. So a good idea is to wipe off any fingerprints after you play each time on the outside, and that will keep the lacquer and the outside of your instrument nice and shiny. And the last thing in your care kit is a pencil, which your band director will appreciate you having in every rehearsal so that you can mark in anything that you need to in your music. And the care kit will help you keep your trombone in great shape for many years. Thanks for watching, and enjoy playing the trombone.